It's that time of the month, and the only thing I'm craving is some boiled peanuts. But it's midnight, and they take a few hours to cook, so I'm just gonna cook them slowly all night so that tomorrow morning the first thing I eat
is this.
So let's get started. Wait, first let me put my glasses back on because I can't see anything. This is about 5 pounds of peanuts. I'm only gonna cook about 1 or 2. Now I'm gonna wash them a few times just to make sure they're really nice and clean. I tried boiled peanuts for the first time a few weeks ago, and I can't ever eat any sort of roasted peanut. All I can eat now is boiled peanuts. But I've never tried Cajun boiled peanuts. So that's what I'm gonna be trying today for the first time. I didn't pick up any more garlic powder or onion powder.
Oh, boogers.
Okay, let me dump it out. Next, I'm gonna fill it up with some filtered water until my peanuts are a little bit more covered. And while that fills up, I'm going to get all the spices that I need. First, some Zatarain's. Oh, it comes in plastic. You add the whole thing in? I'm gonna use my nut milk bag. I'm gonna pour this in there and then I'll pop it into the peanut. And then I'm gonna get some butcher twine. Why do I have butcher twine? Because I'm a gardener, okay? I use this for everything. Trellises, tying up my plants, you name it, I use it. Oh yeah, and the color of it is because I used it for coffee too. Next, I got some Cajun seasoning, this brand. It's the only one I could find. Garlic powder. Oh, by the way, I'm also growing peanuts in my garden this year. I didn't plant as many as I should have because I didn't know I would like them this much. And I actually planted some of these that I bought raw at the store. Red pepper flake, celery salt, onion powder, minced onion, smoked paprika, and some sea salt. That tastes so good. Monosodium glutamate and some cracked pepper, why not? I just feel that rage slowly leaving my body, and they're not even cooked yet. I'm gonna pop this into my pressure cooker for like 10 hours on low. Is 10 hours enough, you think? I'm also gonna drizzle in just the tiniest bit of olive oil because I felt like it. It looks like I can only do up to 8 hours. So 8 hours it is. My happiness depends on these peanuts. See you tomorrow. It's 7:30, but they're still not ready. But I can smell them. My mouth is watering.